It's really amazing packing, which I find very nicely done. The LCD panel, monitoring and controlling panel is folded, so it's beautiful design, very ergonomic, and I'm quite satisfied with the way it has been packaged and delivered. Very interesting, and it's unbelievable that China has come to this level of advanced technology to produce high quality digital microscopes and freely make them available all over the world. And very interesting, that this type of products are available to us and they will advance research in every country. And this is really a boon for scientists, teachers, science students. It's a highly affordable digital microscope at around 35 to 39,000 rupees. By after discount, it may come still less, but I think after careful study of its description and specifications, I came to know that this smart microscope is really means is a very interesting discovery, and I'm looking forward to unpack it and use it very soon.